superheroes. We are here today to talk about going vegan. So Thule and Lucy are also interested in talking about this, obviously. So I am like mostly vegan. I'm not vegan. I say that I'm 95% vegan because I am vegan, 100% vegan at home, with the rare exception. And then when I'm out in the world, sometimes I have cheese and milk, and Thule and Lucy also do as well. So, and I'm gonna get them a treat while I'm talking so that they will be quiet. So, a lot of people, when I say that I'm vegan, this just happened yesterday, so that's why I'm doing this. When I say that I'm vegan, they say, oh, I'd really love to be vegan. And I'm like, why? I mean, like, it's not really necessary to be vegan. To be healthy, of course, and for some people, they really need protein. And for me, I've just never needed protein. I've been mostly vegetarian since I was 18 or 19 or 20 or something. And this vegan thing, it just felt right because I was slightly addicted, maybe not slightly addicted to cheese. So I was trying to kick my cheese habit, and I was inspired by a friend. I had to throw a birthday party for a friend who's vegan, and I was inspired by all the fun cooking that I got to do for that. So that started something. So it's been a year and a half that I've been mostly vegan. So today I'm going to make a salad, and I'm going to come back to you in a second and talk a little bit more about these ingredients. But the bottom line is I'm going to make a salad that you can also add protein to. So you can add chicken or fish or whatever to it. I'm going to make mine with tofu just because I love tofu, but a lot of people hate tofu, so don't eat tofu if you hate tofu. But what I'm inspiring you to do, hopefully, is to eat more veggies. And this is basically the salad that I've been serving to my dinner party guests for a couple of months now, because I love it so much, and I'm actually going to make it for myself tonight. So I thought I would do this video because in the last week several people have asked me for vegan recipes. So that's what we're doing. And every superhero of love, when you're cooking, when you can add love to your food for yourself or for others, that's a superhero of love act. All of this again from Trader Joe's. Toasted sesame oil, some olive oil, and some rice vinegar. This is what's going to make the salad dressing. And I am right now marinating the tofu. Again, if you hate tofu, forget that. In it, just not much rice vinegar in this. Mostly it's soy sauce, sesame oil, and olive oil. And then over here, I've got air frying. Actually, if I hit this, maybe it's air frying. Squash that I sauteed in all these cool herbs. And I'm going to start putting together the salad while this is going on. Oh, the other thing that I don't have out here is red quinoa. So I'm going to put some red quinoa in here, although, because I forgot about the red quinoa, I always like to put a little grain in here. I'm actually going to put in... Trader Joe's now has a frozen quinoa grain mix, and I think I'm gonna pop that in the microwave and use that instead. But here are all the ingredients, and again, you know, the really cool thing about Asian, and the reason why I'm featuring this as the first vegan recipe to do here, is that vegan recipes are they don't have milk and cheese generally in them. So this is a great way to start. It doesn't even feel vegan, right? And if you're looking to just add more vegetables to your life, then you can make this a chicken salad, but just add a bunch of veggies in it. And I really think, for me at least, the secret is crunch. I just love anything that crunches. Obviously this avocado doesn't crunch, but it makes me so happy. Okay. Next step will be putting it together. Yay! Hey, here she is. And I added pink Himalayan salt and Aleppo pepper. Aleppo pepper is the only thing that I didn't get from Trader Joe's that's on here right now. And that is that quinoa grain mix that I found in the frozen section of Trader Joe's. So it's all in here, and you can see this is enough for 4 people really, but I'm probably going to eat half of this tonight and then half of it tomorrow for lunch, because this is one of my favorite salads in the whole entire world, which is why I'm inflicting it on all of my friends and on you right now. Oh my God, enjoy. Asian, go Asian if you're trying to get away from cheese and milk. Have a great day, superhero.